If you've downloaded a game from itch.io and it came as a zip file, don't worry, that's totally normal. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unzip itch.io games on your computer and launch them the right way. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know it, you can do it in just a few clicks every time. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your downloads folder and look for the file you just downloaded. It will usually end in .zip, which means it's a compressed folder. That zip file is not the game itself running yet. It just contains the game files that need to be extracted first. Once you've found it, right-click on the zipped folder. A menu will appear with several options, and from that list, click Extract All. This tells Windows to unpack the files inside the zip archive. Next, a new window will pop up asking where you want to place the extracted files. In most cases, you can leave the destination folder as the default location, since that is usually the easiest option. If you want, you can also choose a different folder, but for most people, the default is perfectly fine. After that, click Extract. Windows will now unzip the game files and create a brand new folder with the contents inside. Once the extraction is finished, open the newly created folder. Inside, you'll usually see several files and folders, but what you're looking for is the game's executable file. This is typically the file with the game's icon, and it will usually end in .exe. That executable file is what actually starts the game on your PC. When you find it, just double-click it to launch the game. If Windows asks for permission or shows a security prompt, click Allow or Run so the game can open, and that's it. You've successfully unzipped an itch.io game and started playing it. Super simple, right? If this guide helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.